Labrador Retriever. Known for its gentle nature and steady temperament. This breed comes from Newfoundland, where it originally helped fishermen retrieve nets and fish from cold waters. Its thick, water-resistant coat and strong tail make a natural swimmer. Today, it is widely valued as a family companion, service dog, and search and rescue partner because of its intelligence and calm behavior. German Shepherd. Developed in Germany for herding and guarding sheep. This breed quickly became known for its sharp mind and strong work ethic. Its alert posture and confident movement reflect a natural instinct to protect and serve. It is often used in police and military roles, where discipline and loyalty are essential. Golden Retriever. Originating in Scotland, this breed was created to retrieve game from both land and water. Its soft, golden coat and friendly expression match its easygoing personality. It is especially valued in homes with children and in therapy work, where patience and warmth are important. French Bulldog. Bred in France as a companion dog, this small breed is recognized by its bat-like ears and compact body. It thrives in indoor environments and forms strong bonds with its owners. Its calm energy and minimal exercise needs make it well suited for city living. Bulldog. With roots in England, this breed was once used in bull baiting, a now banned sport. Over time, it was bred for a more gentle temperament while keeping its strong, stocky build. Today, it is known for its calm demeanor and distinctive wrinkled face, often symbolizing resilience and determination. Poodle. Originally bred in Germany as a water retriever, this breed is famous for its intelligence and curly coat. It comes in standard, miniature, and toy sizes, each sharing the same sharp mind and trainability. Its coat requires regular care, but it sheds very little, making it popular among allergy-sensitive households. Beagle. Developed in England for hunting small game, this breed relies heavily on its strong sense of smell. Its compact size and curious nature make it both energetic and determined. It often follows scents without hesitation, which reflects its deep-rooted tracking instincts. Rottweiler. Originating in Germany, this breed was used to herd livestock and pull carts for butchers. Its muscular build and confident stance give it a powerful presence. When properly trained, it is calm, loyal, and protective, making it both a working dog and a devoted companion. Dachshund. Bred in Germany to hunt badgers, this breed has a long body and short legs designed for digging into burrows. Its bold personality often contrasts with its small size. It remains a popular companion dog, known for its lively spirit and determination. Siberian Husky. Coming from Siberia, this breed was developed to pull sleds over long distances in harsh conditions. Its thick coat and striking eyes reflect its adaptation to cold climates. It is energetic and independent, often requiring space and regular activity to stay balanced. Great Dane. Originating in Germany, this breed was once used to hunt large game like boars. Despite its massive size, it is known for a gentle and friendly temperament. Its calm nature and towering height make it both impressive and approachable. Chihuahua. Named after a region in Mexico, this breed is one of the smallest in the world. Its compact size hides a bold and alert personality. It forms strong attachments to its owners and is often very aware of its surroundings. Boxer. Developed in Germany, this breed was used for hunting and guarding. Its strong, athletic build allows it to move quickly and powerfully. At the same time, it is playful and affectionate, often maintaining a youthful energy throughout its life. Border Collie. Originating along the border of England and Scotland, this breed is widely considered one of the most intelligent dogs. It was bred for herding sheep, requiring quick thinking and precise movement. Its energy and focus make it ideal for active environments and skill training. Shih Tzu. Bred in ancient China as a companion for royalty, this breed carries a long, flowing coat and a dignified presence. It was never meant for work, but for comfort and companionship. Its calm and affectionate nature reflects its history of living closely with humans. Doberman Pinscher. Developed in Germany as a guard dog, this breed combines speed, strength, and intelligence. Its sleek body and alert expression show readiness and awareness. It is often used in protection roles, but can also be a loyal and attentive family companion. Cocker Spaniel. Originating in England, this breed was used to hunt birds in dense cover. Its long ears and soft coat give it a gentle appearance that matches its friendly nature. It is adaptable and thrives in both active and relaxed home environments. St. Bernard. Bred in the Swiss Alps, this large breed was used for rescue work in snowy mountain passes. Its thick coat and strong body allowed it to navigate harsh conditions. It is known for its calm, patient personality and strong sense of duty. Australian Shepherd. Despite its name, this breed was refined in the United States for herding livestock. It is highly energetic and intelligent, often excelling in agility and working tasks. Its strong drive to work makes it best suited for active owners. Maltese. Originating from the Mediterranean region, this small breed has been valued as a companion for centuries. Its long, white coat and gentle expression reflect its elegant background. It is calm, affectionate, and well-suited for close indoor living.